In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a file for downloading on Getresponse. Let's walk through this together step by step, so by the end, your subscribers will be able to click a link or button in your email and instantly download your file, whether it's a PDF, a guide, or any other document you want to share. First, we need to host your file inside Getresponse. This simply means uploading it so the platform can generate a unique link for you. Start by logging into your Getresponse account. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile icon. From the menu that appears, choose Files and Images. This is your main storage area for anything you want to use in your campaigns. Inside Files and Images, look for the option that says Add Files. Click that, then select the PDF or document from your computer that you want your subscribers to download. Give it a moment to upload. Larger files might take a bit longer, so just wait until you see it appear in your list of files. Next, we're going to grab the direct link to that file. In the list, hover your mouse over the file you just uploaded. You'll see an icon with 3 dots, usually labeled as Actions. Click on those 3 dots and then select Copy URL. This copies the unique download link to your clipboard, so you can use it inside your email. If you're worried about losing it, you can quickly paste it into a temporary document or note just to have a backup while you're working. Now it's time to connect that file to something your subscribers can click on. Open the email draft where you want to offer the download. In the editor, decide if you want the download to be triggered by a button or a piece of text, like, "Click here to download your guide." Click on that button or highlight the text you want to turn into a link. When you select it, look to the settings panel on the right-hand side of the editor. You should see a field labeled URL or link. Click into that field, then paste the file URL you copied earlier. This tells Getresponse that when someone clicks that text or button, it should open or download your file. Once you've done that, make sure everything looks good in your email. When you're happy with it, click Next or Save to finalize your changes. Now your file is ready for your subscribers to download directly from your email.